CBK Wahoo here with the part 2 PEMF pyramid build. This is the resin part. We've mixed 2 parts resin, half and half, 50-50 here in a reservoir ready to go into the pyramid. And this you can do clear or you can do colors, also a little bit of color. For this demonstration we're going to be just doing the clear. And that's the, let me see what this is, the KHKD resin fast drying, part A and part B. So that we have that. I'll be listing the links to the epoxies and the materials, and these are the other materials that are going to be going in next. We have some amethyst, some zeolites, charcoal. The scrap metals are not shown here, but you'll have scrap metals. You can either drill into scrap pieces of metal yourself to get your metals, various metals, and then so that's that. And we had our light bulb already with the proper polarity already attached. So that's ready to go. That's the top. So here we go. We'll pour this clear and let that set. If you don't want to, you want to get the bubbles out, you can use either a hot air or a lighter flame to hit the top real quick here and heat it up. Just a little tip, and then the bubbles will rise to the top and not get stuck and trapped in there. So that's part 2, and the next part will be going into a bigger pyramid. That's the cap will be set in here, and then the metal layer will go on top, and then the crystal and organic materials will go next. And then I'll list the rest of the materials, the neodymiums, they're disc magnets, and then the copper wire is electroculture wire, and then we have some mica for the coloring. That was actually sent with the inside the package of the resin actually. So you can use acrylic also. Acrylic's good. Acrylic will work inside mixed with whatever colors you want, like I have it here. So the top, that's the top right here. So stay tuned for the next one. See you then.